G'day everyone, welcome to the Husky channel. Just doing a quick review of my new Series 6 Apple Watch, 44mm aluminium in blue. As you can see there, that's the back of the watch there. I've worn it every day now for a couple of weeks and I love it basically. It's a great watch. So a quick review, I can show you what it does. So you can tap the screen to turn on, or basically flick your wrist down like that and up again and it'll turn on. Now I've got it on this watch face. You can have a whole stack of watch faces, as you can see there. I've only got 5 or 6 preloaded into the watch. If you go through the app on the phone, there's plenty. You won't run out of watch faces. I've just got on that one there because I can actually click onto my activity ring meter there. So basically you can click on that and it gives you the UV index and temperature at the moment and for the coming week. We have there basically the temperature at the moment, 21. And then over there you've got your calendar. So there you go. So you have your calendar. Now if you need to go into the menu system, you just click on the bezel there, and these are all the menu systems you've got. You can click on activity, AFL Live. I don't know if the camera can focus onto that. AFL Live, you've got all these apps in there. Now some of the apps that you have on your phone will go onto your watch. Now this is the GPS and cellular version, so basically you can make phone calls on this, and you've got your messenger as well. There you go, you got messenger in there. Now I'm finding it hard to see on my on the back of my camera where I'm going, because it's there you go, you got weather apps and you got so many things. But yeah, no, it's a great watch and I love it. It tracks all your health and fitness. You can make phone calls, you get messages, you get notifications. Now notifications, you just scroll there. No, there's no notifications at the moment, but if someone sent me something, I can I'll actually see there. I've got EPL live, and like I'm struggling to see these because I'm actually right behind the camera, and there you go, there's the phone. So you can make a phone call if you want. There's the keypad, so you can, as you can see that, and we'll go, probably won't work because I've just dialed anything.
Your call couldn't be connected. Please check the number and try again.
There you go, your call could not be connected now because I've just done anything. But I have made definitely a few calls from it, and it's pretty good. Tells you when to stand up after a few hours. If you're sitting down, you know, you can actually there you go, that's AFL, the Australian Football League. You can set reminders, alarms, and it's got Siri as well, so we'll test it out while we're doing this review. Hey Siri, what is the weather like in Athens, Greece?
It's currently clear and 14 degrees in Athens, Greece.
There you go. So it's pretty good, and it tells you the weather there in Greece, 14 degrees. You can ask for directions. You can pretty much ask Siri anything that you would ask on the phone. You can ask on the wristwatch, and you can also pay for if you go do some shopping and you haven't got your wallet or your phone with you. You can use the NFC reader on this watch and tap to pay, which is pretty nifty. So that's my activity rings. It tells you how many minutes you've moved, how much exercise you've done. I haven't done much today because it's still pretty early. It's good to keep track of it, and like I said, you've got so many apps in there that you can mess around with. The only things that you can't do with an Apple Watch is there's no built-in web browser, so you can't actually web browse a surf for a page, what have you. Now here we go. Here we go. There you got your mail as well. I've got no mail. You can actually send emails if you wanted to. You've got maps. So basically, there you go. It tells you where I am in Melbourne. You can zoom in and out. There you go. You can zoom in and out. Don't know if you can see that on the camera. Yeah, you get your messages. You got Messenger as well. So Facebook Messenger messages will come up on there as well. And you got photos, but there's not much. I haven't got any photos in there. And stopwatch, timer. You've got your wallet there, so basically that's where your cards are stored, so when you can pay for items, your weather, world clock. Oh, there's so many, and there's endless amount of apps on the App Store that you can download on your phone and then basically sync them onto your watch. Now I haven't gone too crazy, but like I said, you can change the watch faces. That one's pretty good. It's just there's plenty out there, and that tells you basically, you can see there on that side is the picture of the phone, so it's connected to my phone, which is in the other room. The symbol on the left is cellular, so it's got its own cellular service, and Wi-Fi on that side. Tells you your battery, 73%. There you go, 73% battery remaining. So it's pretty good. And then you got other different modes: silent mode, airplane mode, and so on. But we won't go through that. But it is a fantastic watch, and it's great because when I take Steve for a walk, I don't need to take my phone with me. And if anyone calls me or if I have any messages, I can reply on the watch itself. It is fantastic, and it also takes your blood pressure. Your blood oxygen levels. And your let me just go into the settings now. Where are we? I'll show you your blood oxygen level there. So you can, I mean, it's got to be on your wrist to start, so we're not starting it at the moment. And it takes your heart rate, I think, as well. There you go, heart rate. Again, it has to be on your wrist, but I'm just holding it now because it's just easier to do that. And then when you do that, you can see the lights go on, and that's how it measures your heart rate. It's pretty good, and like I said, it had maps, so you can actually get directions if you're somewhere where you're not sure where you are. You can messages and so on. You can play music, but I don't have any music on my phone. Usually all my music's on a MP3 player. And there you go. You can view news. There you go. Joe Biden wins the election. Next story. But like I said before, you can view a few stories on the watch, but you can't actually surf the internet. There's no web browser, but for what it is, it's a great little unit. Well worth it if you're interested in buying one. And thanks for watching, and hope to see you soon. Take care.